Assalamu alaikum students. I welcome you all in Al Mawahib British Private School, Science Department. How are you all, grade 1? I hope you all are doing good. The day today is Thursday and date is 14th May 2020. We will continue with Unit 4, Day and Night. The topic is How do shadows change? I want you to ready with your pupils book, page number 79.
Hey, it's a big smile from me to brighten up your day.
So students, let's get started. Are you ready? I cannot hear you. Are you ready? Are you ready, students?
Yes, miss, I'm ready. Yes, miss, I'm ready. Yes, miss, I'm ready. Yes, miss, I'm ready.
Let's get started. What you have learned till now. The sun gives off a light and shines on the earth. It is a day where the earth faces the sun. What else we have learned, students? It is a night where the earth does not face the sun. In the night time, you cannot see the sun. Why? Because the spinning of the earth causes the cycle of day and night. And we had also learned that the position and size of a shadow change as the position of the sun in the sky changes. And how it happens? This is because of the spinning of the earth. And grade 1, we had also learned that long shadows are formed when the sun is low or high in the sky. When the long shadows are formed. Yes, long shadows are formed when the sun is low in the sky. Very good, grade 1. And what about short shadows? Short shadows are formed when the sun is high in the sky. Very good, grade 1. Short shadows are formed when the sun is high in the sky. Very good, grade 1. Keep it up. Now, grade 1, boys and girls, ready with your pupils book and open page number 79. And write the date on the top. And what is today's date? 14th May 2020. Pause the video. Pause the slide. I will give you 2 minutes time. Everyone ready? What is written there? We will be doing the exercise. What is number 1? Look at this. Look at the shadows of these animals. You can see on this slide 2 pictures, right? One picture is, yes, cow is there, and the other picture, pigeon. So you have to look at the shadows of these animals. You have to see the shadows. So now what you have to find out, which animal is likely to be under the sun around noon, and explain your answer. You have to find out in these 2 pictures which animals is likely to be under the sun around noon, and explain your answer. Why? Okay, you have to explain your answer. Are you ready with your answer? Grade 1. Who will give me the answer? The question was, which animal is likely to be under the sun around noon time, and explain your answer. With the help of the shadow, you can give me the answer. Yes, I can hear. Yes, tell me, which animal? Yes, the pigeon. Very good, well done. And explain your answer. How you will explain me the answer? Yes, I can hear. Tell me. It has a short shadow. Yes. Around noon time, when the shadow will be short, it means it will form a short shadow. Yes, very good. Now everyone just look at this picture. Number 2. A. Which is the shadow of the stick? You can see the picture, right? A, B, C are the sun, right? And there is a stick and shadows are formed of that stick. Shadow X, shadow Y and shadow Z. So you have to look at this picture. A, which is the shadow of the stick X, Y or Z, and when the sun is at each of these positions. First A, when on number A the sun position, so which is the from X, Y, Z, which will be the shadow of sun A, and the same like about sun B, which will be the shadow X, shadow Y or shadow Z. And number 3 C, sun, which will be the shadow of that stick. You have to find out this. And then question number B, what happens to the shadow of the stick as the position of the sun in the sky changes from B to A? If A will come on the B place and B will come on the A place, so what will happen? Okay, the shadow will change or it will remain same? You have to find out. Who will tell me? Answer to A first. If the sun is on the A position, you can see the stick, right? So, and the shadows are also formed. So, if the sun is on A, so which will be the shadow? It will be shadow X, shadow Y or shadow Z. Yes, who will tell me? Yes, you can tell me. It will be shadow Z. Very good. Why? Can you tell me why shadow Z? Yes, because and it's long or short? It's long. Shadow Z is long or short? Yeah, it's long. Very good. Grade 1. And why not shadow Y and shadow X? Who will tell me? Yeah, it's up. The shadow will form opposite side. Very good. Yes, so for A, the answer will be shadow Z. And what about B, sun B? As you can see, the B sun. So where will be the shadow? Yes, who will tell me? Shadow Y. Very good. Why? Because the sun is high in the sky. Very good. The sun is high in the sky. So you can see the shadow is short, right? So shadow Y. And what about C? The sun C? Yes, it will be shadow X. Very good. And it's long. Yeah, very good. Grade 1. And who will tell me about the answer B? What happens to the shadow of the stick as the position of the sun in the sky changes from A to B? If we will change from A to B, what will happen? Who will tell me? Yes, tell. The shadow changes its position and becomes shorter. Yeah. Yes, very good. Grade 1. It will become shorter if we will change the position. Keep it up. Give yourself a star. Good work. Brilliant. Keep it up. Grade 1, boys and girls. Pause the video and hear additional resources. The link is given. You have to copy and paste the given link on Google page and you can find out the videos related with this topic. Take your parents' help, and they will just copy and paste the link, and then you can watch the video. It's time to say goodbye. I hope you all enjoyed the lesson with me. See you soon in the next science lesson. Thank you. Have a nice day. Goodbye, students. Stay at home and stay safe. Bye.